Northstar Coating does PVD coatings. And what that means is we combine metal with gas to create a very hard, slippery coating. Anything that really needs to last longer or look pretty, that's our specialty. So I've known NTM for a long time, all the way since about 1993. I think they're a unique company in the way that they not only manufacture cutting tools and refurbish cutting tools, but they also have their own OEM products like V-blocks, Stubby boring bars, and they also have a full-service machine shop. At any given time, the applications that we deal with may be very unique. That's kind of exciting for us to help them engineer a better product.
When they call, actually gets me excited to talk to them. Easy to work with, easygoing, overall a great company.
They're very communicative between the two organizations to make sure that their customer is ultimately satisfied.
If we grow, they grow. It is huge for both companies.